Okay, next is the beach chair. I'll show you a few techniques that I used for that. Here are my Cricut pieces. And the first thing you'll see is that I took a brush and Lagoon ink and just shaded over it a little bit. So I wanted to make sure it looked like it kind of went down in the middle and then a little bit over the top and then kind of a lot on the very edge right down there. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Now the pieces that go on it, like this, I want to make them a little darker. See, I did that here. I believe I used chocolate ink, so that's what I'm going to do this time. And that is just treat this like a paintbrush. Now the next thing we're going to do in working with the chair is to get this little pillow ready. And then you probably can't see it, but there's a texture that I used to make this look kind of like a canvas chair. And I chose this stamp. This is the one I chose to make it look a little canvassy. Watch how I do it. With the Lagoon ink, I will use this texture to just kind of go down the chair. And I will also use this texture with Bluebird, no, I just stick with Lagoon, to do each of the pillows. Okay, it works. And now you can see I'm finished with my lawn chair. I have the gridded canvas looking stamp that I used. I did a little shading on the edges there, and then I made sure the cushion looked correct.